The Golden State Warriors have been dominating the NBA with a 15-2 record so far this season, and this is how they've done it. Hey yo, what's good with y'all? My name is Will and welcome back to Will So Chill Hoops. In this video, I'll break down the Golden State Warriors early season success because at the moment they look pretty much unbeatable on both ends of the court. And the numbers back it up. Check this out. On the offensive end, they're first in points per game, first in field goal percentage, fourth in three-point percentage, first in assists, second in offensive rating with 95.4% of their three-point makes being assisted. And you combine this scary efficient offense with a defense that is first in defensive rating, first in opponent field goal percentage, and first in opponent points per game. This makes a monster. They are by far leading the league in plus minus and net rating, and they're even second in rebounding. The numbers absolutely back up their 15-2 record. They have arguably the best offense and defense in the league, so let's take a look at how their offense is a pure basketball masterpiece of ball and player movement. I can highlight their defense in another video, so if you want to see that, let me know, I can make it happen. The Warriors utilize Curry as a decoy very often in sets, and this play shows you why. He uses the off-ball screen, getting enough space to pull up, and that is all he needs. Even with two defenders converging onto him, he just throws that bitch up and he hits it. And look, the best way to stop this is to take away the shot in the first place. That's all you can do, so a lot of teams are gonna end up over committing to Steph on these pin down screens. Now with Steph coming off two pin downs on this play, notice that Bazemore has positioned himself to where he can play over the screen once Steph comes his way, with Bradley chasing him down full speed. Bjelica makes the smart cut with Bazemore being slightly out of position, and Draymond makes the pass where Westbrook ends up rotating down to help, and the Warriors get another smart cut from Lee, who's gonna finish the play off. Those were two great cuts that were made, and it all started off Bazemore preparing to play over an off-ball screen for Steph. Look at the three bodies here, all defending a potential off-ball Curry screen with Draymond. This causes only one defender to be in position to stop a drive if Iggy were to attack, which he does, and that leaves Gary Payton II wide open in the corner with no defender in position to rotate. And just in case someone did want to rotate here, Iggy is using his body as a shield in front of GP2. This time the pass does make it to Curry after using Looney's pin down, where Looney will slip to the basket with both defenders in this action gravitating towards Curry. This sets up an easy finish inside for Looney with the mismatch. Here is that same pin down action for Steph with JTA slipping to the rim this time. Anderson gets Monk up in the air and sets up the cutting Lee for two. Now with Steph off the floor, the Warriors are using Poole the same way that they would use Steph. It's a Wiggins pin down where Marshall plays in a position ready to help over. This opens up for a Wiggins cut and the great pass by the Warriors leading assist man in Draymond Green. And this is why Poole can be used that way. Coming off the pin down, look at how quickly he's able to get up a shot with great form to make this three. Now I haven't watched enough basketball from all teams this year to make this statement, but I'm still going to make it. This is the best cutting team in the league. The Warriors get into this set with the dribble handoff to Curry from Dre with some added flair, but keep your eyes on Draymond Green moving without the ball. His defender is out of position, giving an opportunity to cut, and Steph finds it. We've got another example here with GP2 having a mismatch, straight up burning his defender to get this lob from Iggy. But look at this amazing play design from Steve Kerr with so many options, starting off with an off-ball screen by Poole for Curry. The first read is to see if the cut by Curry is open, which on this play it is taken away, but the play is going to continue to develop, as now Poole then uses an immediate off-ball screen by Bjelica, but Iguodala stays patient for his last two reads, seeing that Josh Hart is overcommitting up high on that screen for Poole. So as you can see, this quick play gave Iggy three choices where he can take what the defense gives. Option 1 is the cut by Curry, option 2 is the 3-ball off the pin down from Poole, and option 3 is the slip to the rim by Bjelica. Now watch this in full speed and just imagine how difficult this is to defend. Steph uses this ball screen which draws both defenders, giving Looney an open cut, but LeBron rotates down from the left corner with more Lakers coming down for support. Draymond ends up cutting to the basket while Looney is doubled, and I want you to watch Wiggins here. He sees AD will have to pick up on the green cut, so he relocated to the corner where there's no defensive rotation in sight, wide open. The Warriors use another pin down to set up Curry, where he's gonna drive because he's got his defender beat here, but Iguodala, who made the initial pass, still is not out of the play as he cuts inside, drawing two defenders to set up a wide open Wiggins in the corner. They are just so good at using cuts to manipulate the help defenders, ultimately setting up high quality shots, whether that be from another cut or a wide open shooter. This Warriors offense is legitimately a form of art. We have seen how brilliant they can be before, and it's happening once again. It is the most efficient offense in the league for a reason. They simply know how to get high quality looks using great basketball IQ, player and ball movement, and the gravity of an NBA superstar. They don't need 30 plus from Steph every night to compete. We've seen him have bad shooting nights, but the offense can still thrive because they play smart team basketball. And the other part of the equation is, of course, their #1 defense in the NBA. And remember, if you want a part 2 of this video breaking down that side of the ball, I'm all for it. So run up those likes on this video and let me know in the comments so I can know that you guys want that. In the meantime, here's 2 other videos you can check out, but I'm out of here, and remember, keep on hooping.